our birthday girl. There she is. Where did all my sponges go? Oh, there they are. Alright, we got this. We got this. We got our birthday girl.
So this just comes off with soap on it. She's been sick all week. She's on the bed. She's on the bed.
Close your eyes, baby.
Hey. Oh, yeah.
I was getting YouTube.
Oh, good. Hey, can I see underneath the clipboard? There's a note for the parents. Here, I'm not going to steal your clipboard, but yeah.
I'm gonna say hi to them.
Oh, here, sweetheart.
Let's say hi to the YouTube.
Oh, you want to say hi on the TV?
Hello.
Happy birthday, everybody! Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let me see. I gotta put these signs up for the grown-ups so the grown-ups can see them.
I don't want to happy birthday.
There's a note for the parents to see. And here's another note for the parents to see. I really want them to see this note. Here, I want them to see this note, this birthday note that tells them we're gonna make movies, right? Because that's super important for the parents to see this note. Somewhere where the parents will see it. I mean, I think they'll probably see it here, just because it's right where their kids are going to go.
Okay.
All right. Now, where were we? Where were we? Let's see. Our princess, our birthday girl. So we won't go on your eye, we'll go above it. Okay, honey? That's right. We'll go near it, but we won't go on it.
Hey, birthday girl, happy birthday.
Birthday girl. Princess. It's time for sparkles, my lovey. Okay, close eyes. You turn this way, baby. Keep pretty eyes closed. Don't open. Don't open. That a girl. Want to see it so far? Are you in there? There's our girl. She's in there. You okay in there? Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see your birthday girl.
Some little sticker on
I know. That's okay, right?
Because then it'll wash off.
Yeah, we'll brush you off after, right? This is such a good time to come here because it's dinner time, right? Yeah. That's smart. There she goes. Boop. That's better. Let me see.
Now where's Maggie?
pretty. Let's see over here, love. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 7 stars. That's good.
What is that, Abby? Parker made it, and he told me, I asked him what it said, so he told me it said Ellie. So I said I'm going to go to it.
Aw, it's so sweet. I wonder what your friends are gonna get for their faces, huh?
Oh, Addie, you could get the same thing like me, except I just can't go on my eye, because my eye is itchy, and it always waddles. Addie, you could get the blue butterfly, because that's what I'm doing. Oh, Addie, there's a book way on the table anyway.
Let's give you... Let's see, you look so pretty. Now, usually it gets eyeshadow, so softly close. But because we can't do eyeshadow on both sides, I'm gonna do it a little different, okay? So it looks the same. And let's sparkle one more time. Birthday bear. Close eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. 17. My birthday girl. Record? Okay, good. And you can tilt it if you want, like that. Okay, let's see. We'll do the top of this unicorn in blue, and then we'll do the bottom of this unicorn in blue. Okay. This will stay on in the back. Okay. And then we'll switch.
How would this come off?
And then to get it off, you just rub shampoo on it, okay?
I already take a back shower.
Let's see this one.
Now we have to rub shampoo on.
So pretty. Alright. I love it. Here, who's going to help sparkle her? Will you help sparkle her? You shake that on her unicorn arms? Yeah, you going to help me? You going to both help me?
Did you look at the book or do you look on the wall?
Here, take the shaker. Are you going to shake it? Here, I'll help. I'll just do like me.
Oh, like this?
Yep, just shake it. Make her sparkly. Give her 7 shakes.
Oh, that's awesome.
Make sure everyone knows it's your birthday. Perfect. Awesome. All right, let me take a picture. Let me see your baby doll.